Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is July the 12th, 2023. Here to talk about Lucid real quick. Try to figure out the reason why this stock has been rallying. It's real simple. Let's not make this game complicated. It's because people are buying. It's because that there is more interest or demand for Lucid stock than there are people trying to sell it. Boom, that's it. Plain and simple. Now, once we reach a price to where that lever switches over to where there's no more interest of people willing to buy Lucid at a certain price, that is when price will begin to go down. And we may have seen that on yesterday's trading action. Now, before I get started into everything, check this out. Did a price prediction in Lucid right here on the 30th of June. Looking for the market to go higher in Lucid. Here it is today. Boom. Simple. 9.16% was garnered 3 days after we did a price prediction. If it were to get out the market right now in Lucid, you guys can see we'll be up 18.02%. All right, cool. Now, one of the things that I've talked about for Lucid on the 30th of June was this downtrend line. And I told you that the market would have to break that to the upside for us to actually see price continually go higher. It accomplished that on the 10th of July. So now, are we trending down in Lucid? The answer, no. So there's only two other directions that price can go. Either it's going to continue to consolidate, trade within a channel from left to right, or it's going to continue its breakout. It's going to continue to go higher. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take this horizontal line, that descending line, and transport it up here to where price got rejected. Okay. So now this is the upper portion of resistance into the market in Lucid. Now, we've seen that happen already. Look at this. Back here in March, these 4 or 5 trading days, look at this. The price in Lucid could not break above it on these 5 trading days. Come to today's trading action. Look at that. Same thing happened. The market saw rejection there, and we saw the day close off of the highs yesterday. Now, one of the good things is that when you see that price bar in combination with the volume, it really wasn't that much selling. Somebody sold because the market closed off the highs yesterday, but it wasn't too much to be impactful. So what we need to do is we need to look at this on a different time frame. Look at this on the 2-day chart. You see that? The market here in Lucid has given us a strength bar. Let us know that the market overall is still bullish. For those who wanted to know, this could be our trading channel, $6.85 as the low for support, or it could be 620. Which one do you want to do? We'll do the 680. Okay. So now we got strength right there on the 2-day chart. Let's look at Lucid on the 3. Doesn't look too bad. Look at Lucid on the 5. I like the 5-day time frame here in Lucid. Now we may just simply see price continue to break out to go to this high of this 5-day price bar, or these two. Okay, so these are the areas that I'm targeting, right? If we're still seeing strength, and as we currently are still seeing strength, those would be my 2 targets up there. Here's Lucid on the weekly time frame. Okay, 2 weeks. So at the conclusion of this trading week, if Lucid is closing up here at the high like it currently is right now, then we have to continue to be bullish. But we got 2 days and 9 hours to let this play out. Here it is on the 3. Here's Lucid on the 5. The 5 weekly chart looks fantastic as well too. My problem, August the 2nd, earnings is due to be released in the market for Lucid. Okay. Look at this on 330-minute chart. Okay, currently we're still seeing emphasis in market bullishness on the 330-minute chart. Here it is on the 45-minute. Take a look at Lucid on the 30. Now right here on the 30-minute chart, you guys can see it here. This is where the selling began right here. right there at that $8.35 price. Market got hit with selling. How do I know it's selling? Because the market closed off the highs, plus volume came in heavy at 10:30. So yeah, that was institution coming in, selling some of their positions out into the market in Lucid. And then another indicator of weakness here into the market in Lucid. How do I know? Because it tells us an up fake and a push go down bar on one 30-minute price bar. And then you got the volume to justify it. They came in around 12:30. Okay. But the good thing is that price didn't react. Price maintained at $8 and a nickel, $8.08. Okay. So that's a good indicator to let us know that the overall market here in Lucid is still maintaining its momentum. All right. Now, when will we see price break $8.35? I have no idea. But for us to see price currently trade slightly below that level tells me that there's still market participants trying to move this market up in Lucid. That's what it's telling us. Okay. So allow the market a couple of days to work itself out. All of these traders, all of these market participants who traded the market in Lucid during this time frame, they got to work out the kinks, the wrinkles. Those who are willing to sell now, the market needs to absorb those individuals. Those who are seeing this as a buying opportunity will do just that. So that's how we'll tell if the market in Lucid is still bullish. Okay. But so far, nothing on the charts is substantiating that price is weak around this resistance area. Not yet. So let me be through. We're going to go ahead and play some strength into the market in Lucid again. Okay. Now, let's not be massively bullish yet. Here's my first target where the high was in yesterday. So that's another 2.46% move higher. Okay, like I said, it's not a lot, but we already know that this is where sellers are. So if we already know that sellers hit this area once and price was impacted somewhat, then we would expect that to happen again. My second target is going to be here at $8.90. Okay, that is 9.61%. And then my third target is going to be here, the highs of 920, which is 13.3% move to the upside. Okay, so those are the targets. And we're going to look for that market to continue to give us that ability to go higher as long as it trades above $7.22, no lower than $6.83 though. Okay, that's it. Through. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.